folks, welcome to this new video. So we have received a lot of messages about this trade right here on silver, why we execute the trade at this level, why we put our stop loss on this high right here and our take profit at this low right here. So as you can see right here, it plays very well this trade. So if we move to the trading view chart on silver right here, so try to take 2 or 3 minutes and determine where did this movement right here that you see right here get rescaled. Okay, when I say rescaled movement, that means we go from a big movement to a smaller movement, okay, on the chart. So if you pay attention right here, you will see that this movement was rescaled at this level right here. So as we explained before, that this is called child wave and this is called mother wave. Okay, so what happens always to the child wave will happen later to the mother wave. So right here on the child wave we have the breakout of the low, so on the mother wave we'll have the breakout of the low. So that's why we put our take a profit at this low right here. So if we take the rescaled fractal using the bars pattern or copy from the rescaled fractal, we will see right here that we have on the rescaled fractal a lower high. Okay, so on the chart we should have the same thing, we should have a lower high. So when we scale our fractal, the low with the low, the high with the high, so as you can see right here, we have exactly this entry point right here. Our stop loss should be at this high right here in this way, and we target this low right here. So this is the idea of this trade. It's very hard to locate these fractals, these rescaled fractals, without the right knowledge and the right tools. So if we play the price right here and we move to the 2-minute chart, and using the rescaled range analysis fractal level, we said before that when we have these two levels right here, the green and the white level on the same direction, that means that right here we have a valid setup. Okay, and we look for our rescaled fractal after the green vertical line right here, and this is our rescaled fractal right here. It's that easy using the indicator. So that was the idea of this trade. Also, we have another trade breakdown on Mexican USD. So on the 10-minute chart right here, we take a short position from these highs right here, from this high. So this was the trade. We take a short position right here using the Y model and exactly straight to the take profit right there. So the idea behind this trade was using the Y model, our Y model right here with the confirmations. It was the same one right here on the big picture, okay, in this way. So this is our fractal right here, our Y model, and as always we target this low right here. That's why when we take the short position from this high right here, we target this low, then take short position from here to target this low right here. So this is exactly how we do it. So if you are interested to get the fractal level indicator or the rescaled range analysis indicator, you can go to our website simplesfractal.com. Right here you can find the rescaled analysis indicator, $500 for 3 months. It's not that expensive. It deserves every penny because there is a lot of work has put in this indicator, a lot of research, and this is very powerful. That's it. Also, we have a promotion right now on our mentorships program using the scaled range analysis or using just the fractals. 20% off on all our mentorship programs. You can contact our support on Telegram. You will find all the links on the description. That's it all for today. Thank you so much.